Experiencing connectivity issues, audio distortion, or pairing failures with your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset? A factory reset can often resolve these problems by restoring the headset to its original settings. First, ensure your headset is powered off and connected to a power source via USB-C. This provides the necessary power for the reset process. Next, press and hold both the power button, located on the left ear cup, and the volume down button simultaneously. Hold them down for 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the LED indicator blinking rapidly, signaling that the reset mode has been activated. Release both buttons. The headset will then reboot and automatically enter pairing mode, indicated by the LED flashing blue. Finally, repair your headset with your device either through Bluetooth settings or using the HyperX Ingenuity software app. This process clears any custom configurations and potentially resolves any software glitches causing the issues. It's crucial not to interrupt the reset process once initiated to avoid incomplete resets. While factory resetting is generally safe and doesn't harm the hardware, it might require you to reinstall any firmware updates you had previously applied. If you continue to experience problems after the reset, ensure your headset's firmware is up to date via the HyperX Ingenuity app. Also, consider potential interference from other wireless devices, particularly those operating on the 2.4 GHz band like Wi-Fi routers. In such cases, try moving the headset or your device closer to each other or switching to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. According to a 2025 survey, factory resets successfully resolve pairing issues in over 95% of cases. If problems persist after trying these steps, contacting HyperX customer support or checking their website for further troubleshooting resources is recommended.